Okay guys, just want to recap what we've done earlier on. You know, we put our bead up, we remember that, we put that up with a bit of plaster. We've done our dots, and now we've done our screeds. Now you feel now this is a little bit tacky. That's how it should be. It mustn't go hard. If you let this go hard before we do our top coat, then it's all going to tear, okay? So what we're going to do now, I'm going to show you how we're going to do this, all right? So take a little piece off. Don't overlap what we've already done. Just come up like so. One. Have a little piece off there. Two. And to do the edges, just take a little piece off like so. Like so, right? Only do half at a time. Don't try to cover it all. If you hold that for me, please. Thank you. Yet again, if you're over here, make sure your right hand is here and your left hand here, and you're going to stand to the side, like so. Go from here. Make sure you're resting on the top screen. Make sure your straight edge is resting on the bottom one. Just going to come through nice and gently, all the way over. Go back again. Like so, okay? If you can see now, the good bits, you know, the high points and the low points. So if you look at this here, this is like good, this is nice and straight. You can see our little low points just here, okay, our little hollow. All we're going to do then, just take a little piece off like so, just overlap it. Like so. Yeah, again, right hand here, left hand there. Make sure you rest on the top, make sure you rest on the bottom. Like so, okay? Yes please, just have another nice little piece. That's how we do half it, okay? So just do half at a time. You see what's happened? I'm flush with this now, with that one just there. Check it well now. Okay? And then we're going to do the other half. From there to there. From there to there. To do the top, take a little piece off the tip of your trowel. Like so, okay? Once that's done, do you remember we had our right hand here and our left hand here? Because we're over here, we're just going to change our hand brand. So then we're going to have the left hand here and the right hand here, okay? Come up to here like so. Come over nice and gently, like so. Thank you, just wipe the excess off. Right, come back one more time from up here. Resting on the top, resting on the bottom. You will tear it, but that's natural, so don't worry too much because what they are our guide. Come across again, one more. Like so, right? Once that's done, what you're going to do then, turn our straight edge around one more time. There's a reason for that you can see now. Then go from here, right hand here, left hand here. At this time, we're just going to come right across, all the way over, all the way over, all the way over. Like so. Yeah? Okay, does that make sense to everyone what I'm doing here? Yeah? The reason I've done that, because you can see now, if I put my straight edge onto there, you see that's nice and straight from the top to your bottom. Like so, yeah? Okay, that's what we're looking for. Once you've done your top, and then we're going to move on to our middle, then we move on to our bottom. Okay? That's how we're going to go all nice and flat. So you see what's happening now? Right, I'm flush with the bead, right, I'm flush with that, and I still can see your dots. Now another thing before we finish, before you do start, you notice you put your little wooden dots in, okay? We do not leave them in, there's a reason for that. When we finish today by lunchtime, we remove the dots, we put a little bit of plaster into them so it's all coming off nice and level, okay? If you plaster over wood cracks, hence the reason why they're only our guide. Once it's done, we take them out and we put a bit of plaster in, okay? All right then guys?
Yeah.
Right, thank you, right, carry on.